Hi guys, this is Malia with Mustard Tree Market, and I'm going to show you today how to use Dixie Belle's Gilding Wax. And I'm going to be using the Gilding Wax Black. It's my favorite for grunge or adding age, character to these vintage pieces. So to start out, I always spray easy peasy spray wax. I've already done this, so I'll just show you. I just mist it across. I take the Belle brush and I just kind of spread it over it. I don't rub it in or rub it off, spread it. And then I'm taking the Dixie Belle French tip and I dip it in the top of the jar, just dab it a little bit, and I'll hit the corners. And I like to use my fingertip to smear it. I like to go across to where I'm going to have my hardware, or my hardware if it's there. Dip it again. If you get too much, you can always take a shop towel with some easy peasy spray wax and wipe it back. It works like an eraser. I hit the edges. And Dixie Belle's Gilding waxes come in all kinds of fun colors. My favorite is the Anastasia Red. It's gorgeous. It's great on anything that's pink or red, or I like it on pinks and reds and oranges. But I want to show you the black because that's what I use the most, and I think it really gives a piece some character and age. And when you use the easy peasy spray wax first, it gives you the playability to be able to move it around, kind of exit over the hardware area, wipe it back, and just keep going across the edges, the creases, and the corners pretty much. And then to not make it look like so obviously placed, I like to hit a little bit of anything that's an imperfection in the wood in the middle. And that kind of gives it a more natural look. And then just kind of dry brush the rest of your wax over the edges. You don't want all of your areas to look equally dark. So that might be really light, that might be really dark. And then it gives you a really cool aged, grungy, antique look. Easy peasy, guys.